Ask your dealer about guaranteed asset protection, GAP, and they will give you a full explanation. What it essentially does is it will cover you for any potential insurance shortfall should your vehicle be written off.
Paint protection is something that's applied after the vehicle's been completely valeted before delivery. The valeting team will actually apply a coating over the top of the paintwork of the vehicle, which will protect it against things like acid rain, bird lime, which can eat into paintwork. It will also protect it against fading and things like grit in winter months. They'll also protect the interior as well. That'll stop things like fluids, liquids penetrating any seat fabrics and also the carpets in the vehicle.
Hire purchase is basically a way of you being able to hire the vehicle from the finance company. So the dealer sells the car to the finance company charges you a fixed monthly payment over the period that you've agreed. At the end of that, when you've paid all that, the car then becomes yours. The difference with PCP is that what happens is that the finance company sets what's called a guaranteed minimum future value, and that is a price that they believe at the end of the loan the car will be worth. And then that is then put into a balloon payment, which is your last payment. The bit that you've got to be careful with is PCP is a contract, and as far as you commit to an annual mileage. So if you do more than that annual mileage, then you'll get charged excess mileage fees. And if you do less than that annual mileage, you'll be paying more in a monthly payment that you'll get no benefit for. If you're not interested in ever owning the car, because you'll never have the option to own the car, it's just basically a payment to use the car. So that's quite a significant difference. Other than that, if you're happy with that and that works for you, and it's actually less a month essentially, so your payment's less, then it's fine.
An HPI check is a provenance check, so it's the dealer should be HPI every car that they offer for sale. What it's doing is it's making sure that whatever car the dealer offers you as a customer is clear of finance, has no major damage recorded against it, and all the other checks, mileage checks that you would expect them to do for you.
On a used car warranty or a new car warranty, it tends to be things like non-perishable parts like tyres and belts, for example, wouldn't be covered because they're classed as serviceable items. Pretty much most other things would be covered, including electrics, so if your electric windows should fail, for example, electric motors are covered. So yeah, essentially anything that isn't classed as a serviceable item that would be changed into a regular annual service.